A very good afternoon, everyone. I hope I am audible. Today we have met to discuss about NDLI, that is National Digital Library of India. It is a unique initiative by the Ministry of Education, wherein we can get a number of resources that are online, and we are able to get any kind of data that is pertaining to our particular course, that is chemical engineering or technology. And what the basic motive behind NDLI is to create a data repository or a data bank where any person, any student can log in and would be able to access the information that is there online. There are a number of faculties from different institutes like IITs, NITs, ICT, various reputed institutes, and there you would be able to search for content that are these made by the faculty of these institutes. Just to tell you a brief about NDLI, National Digital Library of India is a virtual repository of learning resources, which is not just a repository with search and browse facility, but it also provides a host of services for the learner community. Right? It is sponsored and mentored by Ministry of Education, Government of India, through its national mission on education through information and communication technology department. Filtered and federated searching is employed to facilitate focused searching so that learners can find the right resources with least efforts and in minimum time. Right. So NDLI also provides a user group specific services such as examination preparatory for school and college students as well as for job aspirants. Services for researchers and general learners are also provided. So this is a very important point of NDLI, wherein we all are technocrats, and there is always good to have a kind of ready reference with us, so that we can use that reference and solve our problems. NDLI is designed to hold content of any language and provides interface support for 10 most widely used Indian languages. It is built to provide support for all academic levels, including researchers and lifelong learners, all disciplines, all popular forms of access devices, and differently abled learners. It is designed to enable people to learn and prepare from best practices from all over the world and to facilitate researchers to perform interlinked exploration from multiple sources. It is developed and operated and maintained by Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Right. So this is just in short what NDLI is about, and to give a brief about or why we as a institute are looking forward to this particular activity is, one of the major advantage of our institute is we have got diverse technology fields and a chemical engineering department with us. Right, all the departments have got faculty which are working in different domains of chemical engineering and technology. So what NDLI actually does is it puts Lakshmi Narayan Institute of Technology on a national platform, wherein all the things, all the resources that we are going to upload, or all the resources that we are going to take are, if we are able to generate a good resource, the visibility of our institute would increase manifolds. Right. Just to give an example of it, for the people or for the students who are in their third year or final year, uh, you can go back 2 3 years back when you were in first year, and when someone used to ask you which college did you take admission into, and when you answered Lakshmi Narayan Institute of Technology, not many people understood this institute's existence. Right, only those institutes which have chemical engineering as one of the departments, or only those individual or family who has got any exposure to chemical engineering, only these individuals or organization know about LIT. Right, so this gives us a very good and unique platform wherein we can showcase our strengths. We can put up good resources, good amount of resources on the national platform, and we can get a good visibility out of this. Also, there are a number of projects that are undertaken by the faculties and other students. I would request everyone to please start searching for such kind of a projects by which you can demonstrate something, maybe in terms of any concept, or maybe in terms of any model, or anything that is going to be used as a reference for others. So uh, this is all about NDLI, and what I think NDLI would help us as an institute and as individual or chemical engineer and technocrat. In this way, I think NDLI would help us in creating a very good ecosystem in terms of the resources that are generated. We have got so much specialization in terms of food technology, surface coating, plastic and polymer, oil technology, petrochemical. We can collaborate on a major scale and to bring LIT on a national platform so that it can be accessible to most of the students actually, right? Now I would request Divyanshu to please go or initiate the session and discuss about how NDLI, how to make an account, how to use all these things. Let me put it on record that even now that we have made an event of this, still we are finding many difficulties in actual in the way in which this entire user interface is working. Nevertheless, we are trying our best to decode it and come up with a good event. And let's hope this particular thing goes ahead. And Dibyanshu, over to you.
Uh, Yes, sir. Hello. Uh, uh, a very good afternoon to all the teachers and the attendees present over here. So, as sir already mentioned about the National Digital Library and its various aim in order to integrate all the colleges and provide them with the contents that we usually find difficult to get. So, as far as I have browsed in this NDLI, I found various difficulties in getting the right content and getting to know about the NDLI. So here is a short awareness presentation about what exactly NDLI is and about the club that we have created uh, of LIT. So first of all, we have to search NDLI on the browser, that is Chrome, and here we can see the different areas of NDLI. Like the first is the National Digital Library of India. That is the main site of NDLI, and this is the NDLI club where all the colleges are registered. We have also created one of our club as LIT Nagpur. So this is the main user interface of NDLI, where you can log in on the main site and as well as on the club. So first of all, we will see the club area where we can log in the as a LIT student. You all have received a pass key which was circulated about 1 month ago, and here you have to create your ID in the LIT club. Once once you have created the ID using the passkey, you are supposed to log in using the ID and password. Now, these were the initial workings of the of creating the account on NDLI and getting yourself in the club of our college. Now, the NDLI club interface. The club interface is a bit different from the usual NDLI interface. Here we have home, events, and highlights. Uh, this is one of the events that our college has created. So in the event section, you get to know about the various events conducted by the different colleges, and you also get an opportunity to participate in all these events. And we have our college has also conducted one of the event that we are currently going through. That is the NDLI user awareness awareness event. Uh, I want you to know how to get yourself in any of the event. Like first of all, you have to find the event in this particular section. Then you have to check your eligibility criteria whether you are eligible for the event or not. Usually, all the students who are an member of this club are eligible for all the events. So in the eligibility criteria, you have to click on the participate section in to participate in a particular event. Now, once you participate in the event, you can enroll for the event whenever it will happen. Now, this is the highlight sections. The currently since we are our college does not have that much content on this particular site, so this section is currently empty. So we hope the coming years, like the coming generation, will work on this particular section. Now, here is the main NDLI user interface. Now, yeah, here is the area where you can get yourself in using the login button. Now, once you have login, here you can explore the different sections of the NDLI like the school, CBSE examination preparatory, engineering, science, humanities, literature, and we will go one by one through all these sections so that you can get a knowledge about all the sections, and you can also use them properly and get the best benefits out of them. Now, here is the first section of the school where you can get video lectures, JEE preparation material, simulation activities, and self-assessment and various study materials, along with books of NCRTs. Like all this data are available on this particular library, which you can get from a school library as well as here, and the exposure that you will get here is quite large. The next section is the CBSE examination preparation, where you can get the contents of the class 10th and class 12th. Now, here are the some of the measures through which you can use it. It may not be helpful for you now, but you can tell your little brothers or sisters so that they can also get the benefit of NDLI. Now, here is the main area of our interest, that is the engineering section, and that too chemical engineering. We all know about NPTEL, where professors from different IITs upload their courses, and Swayam is one of its app through which we can access these courses. So IIT Kharagpur provide a different interface through which you can access all the engineering courses, and specifically chemical engineering courses. Like we will let you know how to use this after this particular presentation. Now, here is the science section where you can get knowledge, get material pertaining to agriculture, atmospheric science, biology, biotechnology, and computer science, environmental science, mathematics, and technology. This if some of your friends or some of your cousins are doing their studies in this particular field, then you can ask them to use this particular source to get the to get the required material of their particular fields. And this is the humanity sections, including the hi- including the subjects of social studies and philosophy and economics, education, and mass communication related material. Uh, and if anyone, if a particular like it may be helpful for those who are doing studies in social studies or law. So you can also help ask them to use this particular source. Now, the the NDLI also presents the materials related to literatures in English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Urdu, and on the literature works which are present in English as well. Laws and management section is also present here on NDLI, through which you can assess the material based on law and management. Now, now we have seen that last 2 years we are at home for due to this COVID. So this platform was launched during this session only. So there is a separate research repository on COVID present on National Digital Library. The school publication areas where blogs and publication from schools are present here. So we can get access about the works that the scholarly publications, get knowledge about the scholarly publications which are present over here, as research is going on in COVID-19. The publications and the blog sections can be seen as follows. Like there are various publications and blogs presented on this particular site. The index and papers are also there uh, on COVID. Now the NDLI also presents you the data sets of the recent COVID happenings. The documents and videos are also there on COVID particularly. The various conferences and journals that are happening around the world on COVID can also be assessed using NDLI. There and you can also present your ideas they and if in case any funding is also there on uh, using this particular interface. Now, since uh, since all the economics activities are also shut down and almost everyone is facing different challenges during this time. So and it is one of the major opportunity as well for new startups and new ideas. We have seen that the companies that are coming into our college for recruitment as well, they are also expanding, that they are also opening various branches, their new plants. So in case if you are also having the different startup ideas, you can also present it over here, or you can get knowledge about the startups that are happening all over the world through NDLI. Some featured collections that NDLI offer is Bicentenary of Satyajit Ray on this day. That these are some of the features that many websites offer, and one such is being offered by NDLI. So this was all about the various section of the NDLI, the various section that we as a student or a participant of this particular club, that the Lakshmi Narayan Institute of Technology NDLI club can use using this particular interface. The IIT Kharagpur has offered us a quite good opportunity to use the various resources available worldwide and get to know about what exactly happening in the world and get acquainted with the new knowledge and the new research that happening all over the world. So the main topic of our interest was engineering field. Like we had to get how to get the we as NPTEL lectures. So the hello, Joglekar sir. Hello, 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 hello. Joglekar sir, am I audible? Hello. So as we have seen that we have gone through the various areas of the NDLI, and as a NDLI user member, you all are requested to go through it and go through the articles that are already present over here, over there, and get the idea of how that articles are were written, uh, how their different institute have presented their content on NDLI, and based on that particular content and the various ideas that you all are having, you can create your own content over there and present present your college using the various contents and research papers, and you can also publish your articles over there. So this was all you can get, and on NDLI, and you can use this particular interface, use this particular platform that your college has provided to get acquainted with new learnings and new things. Okay. Anyone having any query? So actually, Joglekar sir is already in a meeting, and so I have to conclude this particular meeting over here. So at the end, I would like to all mm, thank you all for attending this particular event, and I would uh, I would request you maximum participation in this particular initiative that our college has taken by creating this particular club, and go through all go through all the sections that I have presented. I've tried to cover all the sections uh, using this particular presentation, so it will be quite beneficial for you and helpful for you as a student. So this was all about NDLI, and thank thank you. You all can leave this meeting as sir is already in a meeting.